Hi everyone, welcome to the playlist on BFS Template. In this video, we'll solve this problem number of connected components in undirected graph. So we are given this undirected graph and we need to return the total number of components. For example, in this case, these are two. So what's the idea? What we do is we say, okay, if we have any unvisited node so far, for example, at this stage, let's say I'm here, I'll try to mark everything which is connected to visited and count it as one, and then jump onto another unvisited node and just mark that as visited and all the connected nodes also visited and count it as another increment in the total number of components. So the overall components will be 2. So let's see how do we do it. I have the edges in the form of a pair of nodes. Let's create the adjacency list first. I say okay, my graph is empty set for each of the node. So I got my adjacency lists set up empty, and now what I do is for each edge in edges, graph at u dot add v and graph of v dot add u, and my total number of components is 0 for now, and I return my total components once I'm done, right? So in order to keep track of visited, I will have everything marked as unvisited for each of the nodes. So what I do now is for node in range of n, if not visited, if visited of node is not true, I will count the total number of components with 1, okay, and do the DFS here. I'll start with the recursive DFS, then jump on to non-recursive DFS, finally end it up with the BFS template. So I say okay, I have this graph, the search should start from node and I give this visitor tracker. So I have my DFS now, I have my graph, I have the node, and I have my visited, and my visited of node should become true, okay. And now for adjacent in graph of node, okay, if not visited of adjacent, I will do the DFS from there, which is from adjacent I do the graph visited. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Awesome, it does. So let's jump on to non-recursive DFS now. I just need to use this component. I just need to change this. So for that, what I do is I have my stack, which is a node, and visited of node is true. Let's say whatever is inside stack, that should have visited true. So while I have my stack, I pop it, okay, cur is stack dot pop, and now for adjacent in graph of cur, okay, if not visited of adjacent, I will mark it as visited and add it to the stack dot append adjacent. That's all we need, right? So this is done. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Awesome, it does. So now let's jump to the BFS now. So for BFS, I need to get rid of this. I say okay, this is my BFS, this is my BFS, and now I will have my queue, which is collections.deq of node, okay. I will add this node and mark the visited of node as true. So while I have something inside my queue and I pop it, queue.pop left, okay, and for adjacent in graph of cur node, okay, if not visited of adjacent, I will mark it as visited of it is true, and q dot append what adjacent. That's all I need. Let's see if it works. Let's submit it. Awesome, it does. So I hope guys you like the solution. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on BFS. See you in next video.